Hi there. In this video, I'll do essay outlining for IB English A, Paper 2 exam. Paper 2 exam uses the same paper for both language and literature-only students. And this exam is from the May 23 exam, time zone 2. I hope this video can give you an insight on your productive English A revision. Then let's give it a go. English A's Paper 2 essay prompts are oftentimes quite deep and complex. That's why in this video, I'm trying to give you a sample guide to interpret the prompts and introduce the ways that you can compose your ideas. Do check the sample essay outlining that I will do to get some clues for your essay revision. Also, considering the fact that we all have different combinations of literary text, the main ideas that I will present can be quite generic, which means the ideas may not be applicable to your chosen text at all. Do use this only for reference. Then let's start. Question number 1. Referring to two works you have studied, discuss how the writers portray the significance of a journey. I can focus on the fact that the key analyzing point is the way that a journey works to play some significant roles within stories. The journey can be defined like either physical or non-physical. First, potentially a journey can serve the role of providing realization to the characters, which is giving some recognition, new recognition, or understanding to the characters. Also, a journey can play the role of revealing truth or secret, which can serve a quite role within a plot. Lastly, a journey can work to lead character development. But the thing is, it can be either good or bad. Do check if you can apply your two literary text in this essay prompt. Question number 2. With reference to two works you have studied, discuss the means by which the passage of time is communicated and the effect this achieves. This question asks us to focus on the means that is used to depict the passage of time. So perhaps the passage of time can be signaled through character development, such as characters growing up or changing their status. Also, the passage of time can be identified through change in setting or context. The story plot can change its location, climate, or time. Lastly, the passage of time can be noted via the introduction of new characters or events. When there is a new character introduced or new events occurring, then it can deliver such an idea of the passage of time. Question number 3. Referring to two works you have studied, compare and contrast the ways in which they show the main characters overcoming limitations. I personally found this topic the most deep and complex. Anywho, I reckon I should focus on the ways that limitations are overcome. So first way that limitations can be conquered would be through active confrontation and transformation. It involves the character undergoing a transformative journey where they learn from their experiences, confront their weaknesses, and evolve into stronger individuals. Second way can be through external assistance or support. Sometimes characters overcome limitations with the help of others. They may receive guidance, encouragement, or practical assistance from friends, mentors, or even unexpected allies. Last way would be about having sacrifice or making hard choices. In some cases, characters must make sacrifices or difficult choices in order to overcome their limitations. This may involve sacrificing something dear to them, facing painful truth, or accepting the consequences of their actions. One more thing that I thought about is adaptation. Characters can overcome limitations by adapting to their circumstances. It can be quite passive, but anyway, that's what I have thought about. Question number 4. With regard to two works you have studied, explore the representation of poverty. I reckon that poverty can be defined both physical and non-physical ways. With regard, first, poverty can be depicted from having material poverty. Hunger, starvation, barely having ends meet, or not getting proper education due to the material poverty, those kind of things. Also, it can be discussed from a non-physical sense, like having no respect for liberty or political opinion or civil rights under the authoritative or suppressive government or system. Lastly, being in poverty can also mean that one is in an unparalleled or unequal state compared to others, such as due to some kind of discrimination, like gender discrimination, like female characters having no voting right or no freedom of marriage or no ownership of properties, etc. Those can be discussed. Yes, that's the end. Actually, it is rarely possible to go deeper than this, considering the fact that we all have completely different combinations of literary text. So excuse me about that. But I still believe that this outlining can be a bit of help to interpret paper 2 essay questions and to compose your ideas accordingly. Then everybody, good luck.